I'm Professor Silviana Amethyst, and I'm going to be your instructor for Data Science 150 this spring 2023 semester. I'm so excited to get to teach this to you. I've been teaching scientific computing for quite a while, and I really like the Python language. We're going to be doing Python this semester, building to use some industry standard tools, including NumPy, which is for numerical computations, and Pandas, which is for data framing, providing awesome functionality for working with data sets. And I'm so pumped to get to teach this with you. It's going to be my second time teaching the course. And I've got some good stuff planned for us. Our first day of class is going to be Monday, January 30th. And on that day, we're going to be talking about how the class is going to go and building some community, talking about what we want to accomplish over the course of the semester. And our second day of class on Wednesday, February 1st, that's going to be a big one for us because the administrators of the computing cluster that we're going to be using this semester are going to come and train us on how to use their resources. I want you to be a participant in the scientific community, and part of that is using computing resources. And we have the Blue Gold Supercomputing Cluster here at UW Eau Claire, and I'm going to train you on how to use some of its functionality. So that's what we're going to be doing on Wednesday. Now we're meeting in a computer lab in Hibbard, and so there's no need to bring a computer unless you want to bring your own computer, in which case, by all means, we have a computer for everyone in the room. But feel free to bring your own if that helps you feel more comfortable. It's going to be great. I think it's going to be awesome. We're going to have 2 tracks through the course available this semester. I'm going to have the standard track and the experienced track. The standard track is what everybody's going to be on by default, and it's kind of a introduction to the world of programming, building up to those data science tools that I was talking about, assuming that you have no experience in programming or only a little bit. I think that's going to be really useful for most of us. There are going to be some experienced people in the class, so maybe like computer science seniors. So I've got an experienced track through the course set up for those who are already familiar with languages, or maybe for those people who want a deeper experience. There are more assignments on the experience track, and it builds to a project at the end of the semester, where those people on the standard track will have a few less assignments. There'll be more time to complete those assignments, and it'll build toward a portfolio. And you get to choose which track you're on. And so I'll help you do that over the course of the first week or so of the semester. I think we'll find which track you're on. I've got our course set up in terms of lessons instead of weeks. Our lessons are going to consist of readings and media that I'd like you to start with and refer to as you work through the lesson, interactive Jupyter notebooks that are going to teach specific things I want you to have experience with, a Canvas quiz that goes with the notebook, and those build toward an assignment. And that assignment's where the real learning is going to happen. You're going to have your fingers on the keyboard almost every day of the class. You're going to be the one doing the programming. You're the one asking the questions, and I think it's going to be awesome. Last semester was a big success, so I think this spring 2023 is going to be even better. One thing that I'm really proud of is that every assignment in the class comes with unit tests so that you can see whether you're solving the problems correctly. And almost every problem has many different solutions. So I'm hoping that we'll find good opportunities to teach each other, students teaching students, me teaching you, and you teaching me the novel ways that you find to solve the problems in our class. Every lesson is going to conclude with a reflection where you're just going to talk about the things that you've learned and where you might be going with it in the future. So I'm super pumped to see you on Monday, January 30 for our first session of class. Canvas is now open, and I'll see you then. Thank you so much.